listen. I didn't go straight to the scalp.
Ooh, that's too. Dang, that track.
How do you close your throat?
See, it's not a burn. See that?
And share so you can be notified.
And you weigh. How tall are you?
6'6".
Excuse me.
It's on. You gotta go. My mini afro.
Oh man.
That's the.
It's a GIF? That's what I think.
Pouch.
How rude! They are little tacos.
So it's like, would you?
Smash the like button.
I'm gonna give you some points for that. Ooh, where that?
I'm on my side. I think the dude, you know, as I've heard from many other people that are.
Oh, Jesus. I don't get.
Oh, hey, my album review showed up. Oh, God. Let's go to my YouTube. Woods. What? I don't know. I think that track specifically. Jesus Christ, that came out way louder than I thought it'd be.
AKA. Excuse me. AKA.
Joseph, you're a baby.
God.
Stop. I can't.
Uh-oh. Well, see that I don't. Oh shit, my bad. Don't look like Keith did this. Ooh, ooh, that shit sounded wet. Ooh, when I was eating. Oh, excuse me. Fuck it, we just gonna. Ooh, Cassie. So. Oh, I don't know. I'm supposed to be the no burp challenge, bro. The burps are Oh, the burps are rocking my body. Do you see? It's like, okay, I made it.
Oh my. Jacking. This is really hard. Oh.
Ew.
Ooh, shit.
Shit, bro.
Bro. I can't do that shit.
sorry. Couldn't hold it. It's been failed. I might burp. Gas? Y'all, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do this challenge. Try. Now, if this was a burping challenge, I would have won. But